Alrighty guys, so this is how you install 3Dmark. And yeah, what you're gonna do is go into Steam. If you don't already have Steam, then download Steam. Logging in. And what you're gonna do is search in store. You're going to search, come on. Damn, this bug again. I had it on my original Legion Go 2. Then just pop up the keyboard. There we go. And 3Dmark. Press on that. And you could of course pay for it, but why pay for it when you can just get it for free? And yeah, Timespy will be included in this. Whoops, pressed the wrong button here. You know what, let's turn up some lights in this biatch. There we go, look at that. Oh, I can choose lighting effects. Oh, that's different profiles, because this was the profile I chose. Purple, likey, me likey purple. Yeah, so now let this thing just download. 9 minutes, it's pretty fast, I guess. So let it just do its thing. Boom, 3Dmark is downloaded. Now you can just press on play. Give this a second. This does take a second to load, but that's fine. Yep, 3Dmark, the gamer's benchmark. And if you have a laptop, I recommend trying to benchmark with it plugged in and not plugged in. But on the laptop, you need to then have like a mode on that you get the same performance when it's plugged in, like when it's not plugged in. And just test it, because sometimes you might actually get more performance when it's not plugged in because of some weird reason. And here you have Steel Nomad Lite, but I like to use Timespy. That's the original. So what you're gonna do, you just come here, you just press on benchmarks, go down a little, and boom, there you have Timespy. Press on that and press run. And that's really it. And that's how you install 3Dmark and Timespy. So, thanks for watching. Goodbye.